Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to use or pay with Wise from your computer. First thing first, open your browser and go to wise.com. Click Login at the top right corner. Now enter your email and password or use Google or Apple login if you're signed up that way. If enabled, complete two-step verification. Now once logged in, click Send Money or Payments, then Send. Choose the currency you're sending and the currency the recipient will receive and enter the amount you want to send. Now you can select an existing contact or add a new recipient and provide the recipient's bank details or Wise account email. Wise will show different funding options like bank transfer, credit card, or Wise balance. Select your preferred method and double-check the amount, fees, and delivery time. Now click Confirm and Pay and follow the instructions depending on your chosen payment method to finish the transaction.